AI pair programming is not about replacing developers. It is an accelerator for the developer in a loop. You stay in control and call all the shots while the AI helps with the repetitive or tedious parts. It is like having another developer over your shoulder, helping you drive from idea to tested reviewable code faster without taking the wheel. Two heads are better than one. Before AI tools, when you got stuck, you asked a coworker. Sometimes you rubber ducked your problem out loud. Sometimes you wrote code together. With AI pair programming, it is no different. You guide the process, but the AI helps you write, review, and improve code. It is still collaboration, just with a different kind of partner. What can AI coding assistants really do? Turn natural language into working code across multiple languages. Explain complex logic. Help debug errors and suggest fixes. Recommend optimizations. Generate tests and documentation. Provide real-time feedback and code reviews. They are also excellent learning tools, helping you explore new frameworks faster. Let us illustrate with a simplified inner loop. Planning, describe your idea. The AI outlines an approach. Design, describe your architecture. The AI drafts it. Code, you write while the AI reviews in real time, or the AI generates code while you guide it. Testing, AI generates test cases while you refine. Debugging, AI analyzes errors and suggests fixes. Documentation, created alongside the code, not left until the end. Most importantly, all of this happens directly in the tools you are already using. No context switching required. Gone are the days of spending hours searching forums. You can now get help instantly in your exact context. AI is available everywhere you are working, from chat interfaces to agents in your IDE. This continuous feedback loop is what makes pair programming so effective. Why does this matter? Three main ways. First, code quality. Continuous review reduces bugs, eliminates design flaws, and catches issues earlier. Second, knowledge sharing. AI breaks down knowledge silos with on-demand explainability and helps new team members ramp up faster. Third, development becomes more enjoyable. Less time on repetitive tasks, more time on problem solving, creativity, and higher value work. But there is an important caveat. If you blindly accept everything AI produces, you are not really collaborating. AI can be confidently wrong, especially when it is not an expert in your business context. Review still matters. Faster does not always mean better. AI is a good doer, but we should still leave the thinking to the humans. AI pair programming, when used correctly, is a powerful tool in a modern developer arsenal. It empowers us to focus on high-value problem solving, while AI automates tasks and fills gaps. AI does not reduce the need for skill, it alters it. Less time spent writing code from scratch, more time outlining problems, designing systems, and evaluating solutions. AI is not writing great software. The developers working alongside AI are learning faster, tackling bigger problems than ever before. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. I am Dennis. See you next time.